that's it, guys. She have a extended warranty. And you know what? They want me to tear it down. All right, this is the one I checked out earlier with the ticking noise. Let's see if it do it now. It's first thing in the morning, cold. Can you hear it? Ooh. Yep. If I had to guess, I want to say bank one. All right, let me tear this thing down. I don't want it to get too hot. All right, so anybody want to bet me? Let's do it. Let's listen again. Yep, I'm gonna take bank one off first, guys. Let's get in the shop and tear this thing down. They want to visually. Ooh, you can hear it. Look good out here. Yeah. You know what? Damn it. We're gonna get this thing torn down. Oh, I don't want it to get too hot. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it, man. It shouldn't take me long at all to yank this. This is a Gen 2, guys, so it's not the Gen 3 with the EGR cool on the side and all that. So, yes, get this out. Oh, come on, man. See? That's a Derman. Derman? That's probably why it's ticking. Restriction. Yeah, the oil. The lubrication system could be partially restricted. That's one of the issues I have with the aftermarket. Guys, anything that's not OEM Mopar to me is aftermarket. Yes, this is a name brand, all right, and it's very popular. However, do they have the specs right? Okay, my whole issue with oil coolers is the insides, the guts. Yes, this is superior over OEM Mopar because this one is aluminum, that one is plastic. I've never argued that point. However, is everything flowing the way it should be? Did this ticking start happen after they put this in? I don't know. All I know is I gotta figure out show where it's ticking, show why it's ticking. Okay, in the form of tear down. All right, let me get this thing torn down, man. Come on out of here. Alrighty, guys, what we got here? Oh, I see a scratch. Let me see. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? That was right. That's the ticking noise right there. It was on bank one. Remember outside I was trying to guess which bank it was. I was right. It was bank one. Guys, I'm going to need a camshaft simply because that's affecting the lobe, the center part of the lobe as well as the outside. And this is a customer car. This was my car. I will reuse that cam because it's not going to affect a brand new rock arm. However, I got to do things right at a shop. All right. So I'm going to need intake camshaft on bank one and all 24 rock arms. I'm going to take this out, just not on camera. So that's all we got, man. I told y'all we'd figure it out. I still think it's Derman fault.